Alright, cruise nerds, so we're going to do stateroom 6542. That is in the category 5 Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah. Alright, and we're going to actually touch our key right now. Go right on it. Alright, cruise nerds, so this is stateroom 6542, and this is for Assembly Station A. So when you come into this stateroom, you're going to see bathrooms on your right and closets on your left. So we're going to start with the closets this time. So we got some vests, and then we got hangers, and this one has a little small shelf so you can put a little something, and then also like storage like a backpack or shoes or anything like that, and also a bottom shelf for more shoes. And this one is divided, as you can tell. And then more vests. And then we also have laundry bag and the slips if you want to do laundry. A safe. And then more shelving. And then the next room. Now this one, more space right here. Shelving right up here. And then this one actually sleeps the party size of 4 because there is a ladder right here. And then this one is a full length closet. Now let's go ahead and go over to the bathrooms. Now this is the first of the two. Let it adjust. And then we do have the mirror with some shelvings on the right hand side with a towel on the left of the mirror. Some hand soap right there. Sink. And then trash can. And extra accessories for the bathroom. Just like a needle box. And then Kleenex. And then there's little shelvings, hooks right here. And then right inside is the bathroom. So the switches for the night and main. So this is the other bathroom. Hold on, cruisers. So we do have a shower right here. So we have the shampoos, shower head and shelving, and the bathtub right here. And cruisers, I actually learned a trick about that, but I will explain later in a different video. More storage space and trash bin and Kleenex right below the sink right here. And then there is the lotion, shelving with makeup wipes and washcloths, then our towels. And that is on the left hand side of the mirror. Hi, cruise nerds. Alright, cruise nerds. So we are now coming into the bedroom. So right here, now this is a Mulan themed because there is Shang and Mulan right there. And then pillows, and then on this side, shade, lights, USB and USB-C, and a European plug right above this drawer on one side of the bed. Again, cruise nerds, regardless of what ship you're on, these are $390. Okay, on this side of the bed, we have a light with a reading light, light switches, and then 2 wall plugs and 2 USB-C along with the drawer. Alright, cruise nerds, now here is the sleeper sofa that will turn into a couch, and then there is the bed right above. And then this is the picture. It looks like it's from a little bit of all the movie here and there from Mulan, the sketches. Now, right above it is the upper berth, for the couch, that is. And cruise nerds, just so y'all know, if y'all want this unlocked, this is the keyhole. However, housekeeping will have to do it. Okay, just so you know. Okay, so here is now the desk. Shelving on one side of the mirror, along with the phone, And then right below the mirror, as you can see, we have different switches for mirror, ceiling, curtain, and balcony, or the veranda. Then we do have stationery in this first drawer with a chair right underneath. Then we have 3 drawers right here, each individual, and the top one does have the hair dryer. And then we do have the cooler right here, along with the drawer right above it. Glasses right there for drinking, with more shelving right here. And then we have plugs, 2 wall plugs and 2 USB-C, and a European plug for the hair dryer. Now let's go ahead and go to the veranda. Now, I'm going to make sure that this is unlocked. And twist that. Okay, and then here are the chairs and little table. And this is a regular size veranda. And this does connect to Stateroom 6540. And then on the other side, 6544. And then cruise nerds, there is the veranda light for the evening time. Well, ahoy cruise nerds. Well, thank you for joining us here for another stateroom tour aboard the Disney Destiny. This is Stateroom 6542 and it's a Category 5 Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda, and it does sleep up to a party size of 4. No more, only 4. That's the max you can do in this particular stateroom. Category 5 Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda, and this is Stateroom 6542. And it also connects to the connecting stateroom, which is 6540. Alright, cruise nerds, see y'all real soon around the ship.